Hello guys, just showing you on how to diagnose the 1487 and P2227. On my experience, I replaced it with this brand new. This is the second one I installed. I installed this one for the second time. I thought that was gonna be the problem, the GEGR, but the problem was this and this one right here. The boost something solenoid and this another solenoid vacuum. So replace those two and that should take out your code.